Today we're going to talk about education. Where do you study and which grade are you in now?
I study at Samson School in grade 8.
What are your plans for the future?
In the future, I plan to apply for overseas scholarship to study abroad.
Which countries would you most like to study in and why?
I would like to study Switzerland.
In Switzerland.
Switzerland because of several reasons. First, it has one of the best education systems in the world. Second, it's also one of the most developed countries in the world. Third, Switzerland is often touted as one of the best countries for international finance because it has remained neutral in most laws.
Remain neutral.
Remain neutral in most laws, including the children's law. Fourth, Switzerland is one of the most beautiful countries due to the Swiss Alps mountain range, with its tall snow-covered Rocky Mountains. Finally, Switzerland is known for its fine chocolate and fine roses.
Chocolate. Okay, Swiss Alps mountain range.
Swiss Alps mountain range.
Okay, good. Okay. And what subject would you like to study?
I would like to study medical science to become a doctor because I like to help people.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good job.
Okay.